Good morning, our learners at home. Good morning, our parents. Yes, this morning we are going to English language for basic 5. English language for basic 5. Yes, the topic is reading. The topic is reading. Learning objective. At the end of the lesson, learners should be able to define reading. Yes, you can mention the second point and the third point. Now let's go to the content. What is reading? Yes, you can see that read it. Reading is a complex activity which involves the fixation of eyes to the printed materials or texts. Yes, continue reading. Continue reading. Yes, continue reading. It can also be defined as the act of getting meaning from printed texts and the recognition, identification of words represented in printed symbols. Yes, you can read it by yourself so you get involved. And then when you ask a question, you'll be able to say something and write something meaningful. Now, reading has some purposes which we need to check. Purpose of reading. The first point is there. The second is there. Third, yes, go through it. Now, we have types of reading. Mentioned here in is skimming. Then you can read the meaning in front of it. Then another one is scanning. Other one is reading, study reading. Now let's go through this one together. This is the most important type of reading activity the student is required to undertake. Students or learners or readers are required to read and search texts in order to gather information and look for main points and supporting details. Yes, you can read it by yourself too. Then the other one is critical reading. You get involved to it. You can combine these acts together. We have many others. Now let's go to the habit of reading. We have 2 habits of reading, which are number 1 is there, number 2 is there. Now let's go through it one by one. Good methods involves, you can see number 1 point, high span and fixation. Yes, high span and fixation. What is the meaning of span? You can see it and you fix your eyes on the reading, not moving your head somewhere, not looking at anybody. You fix your eyes on the reading. Eye fixation and span. Then that's the next point there. The other one is there. The other is there. Yes, you can read it too. Get involved. Now we have the bad methods, which involves regression instead of progression. When you started reading, maybe you answer a call, maybe you are doing another thing, then you go back to it. You see that you have to start again. Then the other one is there, the other point is there, the other one is there too. Now, exercise for you, listeners, learners at home. What reading purposes do you have? Check. Why do you pick it? Then you can see that by yourself. Stay safe and healthy. Send your answers and feedbacks. Read a book aloud with family and friends. We have titles here which you can go through. My Hero is You. Read it so that we'll be able to answer some questions therein. Thanks.